Eddie G here from GF7 Fit, and are you a golfer or do you know a golfer that wants to drive the ball with more power, more efficiency? Honestly, who doesn't want to drive the ball more efficiency, right? So if that sounds like you, stay tuned, because this video, we're gonna talk about the posterior chain. I'm gonna explain what the posterior chain is, and this video is gonna be around 5 minutes, so you don't wanna miss it. So first and foremost, hip hinges with band. Most people struggle with the hip hinge, which is this movement right here, just bringing it back, bringing it forth. That's starting the posterior chain muscles and musculature. As you can see here in this video that I uploaded right here a couple years ago with Jose. Now Jose was a professional soccer player from Argentina, as you can see in Argentina. Sorry about that. And then, so you can see right here, he's doing the hip hinges with the band, and that's the name of this. The first exercise is with the band. Kind of, it's forcing you to take the hips back, as you can see here, and then he's bringing it back with the bar. That gets you ready for the next exercise. All right. And the next exercises are gonna be deadlifts, good old-fashioned deadlifts. And again, Jose's gonna demonstrate there because we did a whole video on deadlifts. And I'll put that video in the description if you'd like to watch it. So the next one here is deadlift. As you can see here, Jose's also doing the deadlifts. And what he's doing almost that same movement he did at first, the hinging back, all right? Hinging back, kicking those hips back, and then going down, lengthening the hamstrings, which is working the posterior chain, working those glutes, and working the lower back. All right, as you can see there in the video how he was doing it. That's gonna take us to our last exercise, which are Romanian deadlifts, but with the cable Romanian deadlifts. This was part of a lower back pain video that I did. I'm gonna put the description there, put the link in the description as well. As you can see me now, I'm doing that with the cable. You're starting up here, and again, you're just doing the hip hinge back. But with the cable there, what it's doing is giving you more tension on the hamstrings and the glutes. So you take emphasis off the lower back, put it more on the glutes and the hamstrings. Because if you can see the glutes, they're much bigger than the lower back muscles, and the hamstrings are much bigger than the lower back muscles as well. So you want to work both those muscle groups instead of the lower back. As far as sets goes, 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 12 reps. We're working the pyramid principle here. So you can start 12 reps first, then 10, then 8, then 6. Remember, 6 to 12 reps is a guide. If you cannot do 6 reps, it's too heavy. If you do 12 reps and you can easily do 14, 15, then it's too light. You want to work a weight somewhere in between there so you can work and get a bit stronger. So it's actually like you're doing some work, not just going through the motion. And we're talking about technique as well. All right, so this is the final part of the video. If you like what you're watching, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, it's free, it doesn't cost you nothing. I know I'm a smaller YouTube channel, but if I was bigger, I have more subscribers, I'm putting out good content for you. You know, I got 13 years experience as a trainer, master's degree, and most people on YouTube don't have that. They're just selling you supplements and they're being promoted by a company or they're sponsored. But the content itself is not really all that good. It's just because they're putting it out there. So subscribe so smaller channels like myself can get out there and actually educate people in exercise science. So here it is. If you like this here, you know, give me that thumbs up and have a good one.